Alright, what's going on, you guys? It's the top of the morning. I'm gonna start replacing these motor mounts because they're pretty shot out. I'll give you guys a walk around of the Taggy. She's all stock. Clean body, pretty straight. Not the best, but it's pretty clean. With the engine bay. I'm gonna get this cruise control thing out of the way first. Just 310 millimeters. Disconnect this connector. Now I got more space to play with. Move this power steering out of the way. I got the jack under the engine already, holding it up. I believe this is like a 19. I was wrong. Alright, 17. Yep. 14. Fuck. Now let's see if it's a straight install. It's alright. She's not a show car. She never will be. Alright, for this one, I'm gonna drop the engine a little bit. That's good. One more mount's done. $19? Yeah, she'll do. She will do. Gonna take this bad boy off. Alright, this is shot out. Look at that movement right there. Wow, wow, wow. Is these even the right threads? Fuck, they're not, man. They're not the same one. Not the same thread pitch. I'm gonna have to go to the store real quick to buy these bolts. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I took a trip to my local Home Depot. Got these bolts, should be good to go now. Let me just clean up this little thread right here. Alright, should be good to go. So put this bad boy back on. Back in business. Damn, I freaking hate working on the floor. I forgot how nice it is having a lift at the shop. Alright guys, one torque mount done. Honestly, I don't know where this bushing side goes to, but that's how I did it. I don't think it really matters, but it's okay. Everything fit good. On to the other side. God damn. Alright, I had to take out my coins because she's pretty stiff. Alright, she's solid. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's good now. A lot of vibration, but I'm not complaining. The engine's not jerking anymore. Shifter has no more play, but the shift, the linkages, they are worn out, but it did have a lot of foreplay. I didn't do the rear engine mount because I was getting frustrated with the torque mounts. I found a way, I got it installed. All I need is a back one. I'll do that tomorrow at work. I'll bang that out with the power tools that I got. Yeah, it will be good. I like it. No complaints about these PLM motor mounts. My shifts feel smoother. Got a little wheel spin. Before I get pulled over right now. Yeah, she's solid. I love the way these mounts feel. You feel all the feedback of the road. Pretty good mounts. On the cold start, she was vibrating like crazy, but on the idle, not bad. She's good. All right, guys. Go run some quick errands right now. Get ready for the work week. Happy New Year's. Thank you guys for watching. Late.